everybody, welcome back to our channel and welcome back to another video. Me this so because I don't need a man. I said, no, that's not what I said. I said, I'm teaching you this so that you'll know how to do it in case you don't get one when you think you should have it. You know what I mean? So I believe in teaching my children skills, things that'll help them, because I was told and have been told I didn't need to move any furniture in my house until I got a man. Well, it's been almost 15 years and I haven't had a man. I'd never move anything if I was waiting for that. And I don't want to relegate, and I don't want her to relegate having an individual in your life just for cutting grass, pumping gas, and moving furniture. A person in your life is so much more than that. So here we are, just getting it moved. I think our sheet was dry rotted because it kept ripping. I don't think that the thing was too heavy. I just think the sheet was old. We've had those sheets. They're older than Jackson. There are some twin sheets we had when Tranda was home. Now, coming through the door, we ran into a little bit of problems. It was like it did not want to move for us. And so here I am pushing on one side, sister's pushing on another side, and we're just trying to work it, to jimmy rig it so that it will move for us, and it is not moving. Again, my sheet is breaking as I'm moving this, but the Holy Spirit will just teach you things and tell you things. And so I had an idea of I had tried to move my refrigerator once and it did not work, and so the Lord told me what to do. So I had Jackson go out to the garage, not to the garage, to the greenhouse, and get the shovel, and I was able to get just a tiny bit of leverage and get the shovel under it, and it moved it no problem. Now, once we got into the living room, I did not want to drag the shovel across my floor because I didn't want to scratch up the floors, but we still have the sheet underneath, and now it's easier to move. Sister always be making them faces though, and you be like, what in the world? I don't ever see stuff till after I'm editing the video, and I'm like, this girl right here. Sister's a lot of fun. She helps me out quite a lot. She's growing into a very lovely young lady. At 20 years old, she knows quite a lot of things. So we've gotten that moved, and now I'm putting this chair into place. If you've been following us along for the Love Dare, you've seen this chair moved by now. And now with the chair moved, I could leave it the way it is, but I'm still not satisfied. I don't love that desk over there because it is too close to the bed, and the bed takes up a lot of the floor space when it is in this position. I do like it between the two windows, but it does take up a ton of floor space, and so I'm going to move it back to the other side of the room. I've had it moved over there several different times. It's worked out, but you know how it is. I just got to change things till I'm satisfied with the way that the things are changed. And at this point, I wasn't. And this bed, while it is a nice bed, sometimes